Hi everyone, Svetlana Sotak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make my Market Tote. Now this bag comes in 3 sizes and all the cutting measurements are provided in the pattern, and I will put the link to the pattern in the description box below the video. This is an online tote bag, and all you need to make it is 1 strip of fabric and some webbing for the handles. And it can be used as a grocery bag, a library bag, or a reusable gift bag. And I love how neatly it folds up. And once folded, you can just keep it in your purse for when you have an unplanned visit to the store, and this way you know you have your bag on hand. Like so. In this video, I will be using waxed canvas to make my tote bag, but you can use other materials as well. Denim, home decor fabric, canvas, or corduroy, like I used here for this bag, would work great. The only thing to keep in mind is that waxed canvas gives you a slightly more structured finished bag. And there's one more thing to keep in mind when choosing your fabric. So either go with just plain color like I did for my bag, or if you're going to use a patterned fabric like this canvas is, make sure it's an all-over pattern and it's non-directional, so this way it looks the same on both sides, because we'll be folding the fabric in half and you don't want one side of the bag to have the pattern upside down. So a non-directional print works the best. Something like this one I used here. As I already mentioned, I will be working with waxed canvas in this video, and I really love this thin version of waxed canvas, sometimes also called oil skin, and I will put a link to the canvas in the description box below. I am also using polyester handles. These are lightweight polyester handles. You don't want to use anything too thick or sturdy, and anywhere between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch is perfect for these bags. Now, one thing to keep in mind when working with waxed canvas is that there's no need to use an iron, because this finger pressing works really well for your creases. And also, do not use any pins, as they could leave marks in your fabric, so only use sewing clips. Okay, let's get started, shall we?